I'm so excited about this video. I have been waiting for this package for a very long time, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. Today's video is going to be a haul. It's like a huge haul of everything I bought from Voss. I don't know why they did this to me, but they had a 40% off sale recently and I took advantage of it. Do you guys know how expensive Voss is? Yeah, I know. You know what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead and get into this haul. So the first thing I picked up that I'm really excited about is this Voss Fun Size Palette Collection. Let me open it up to show you guys. This is what it is. It comes with the Berry Burst palette, fruit sherbet, Le Macaron. They are 10 pan eyeshadow palettes, but they're small. Like when I purchased it and I got it in the mail, I didn't think that it was actually that small. Like I got that they were saying fun size, but I thought they were like mini palettes, but like ColourPop 9 pan size mini palettes, because those I consider mini palettes, but these are mini. So this one is the Le Macaron palette. This is a palette of all shimmers. Berry Burst, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Then we have Fruit Sherbet, which is a cute like rainbow mini palette, which I think is so cute. There's some really pretty shimmers in here. This is where it's at. And then the last one is Creme Brulee. And this one is more of a neutral palette. Right here. This is the size of my hand and this is the palette. But I will say that each of these fun size palettes are $18 each, but 40% off of that. Need I say any more? I'm just blown away that I bought so much from Voss because she's so expensive. Okay, let's move on. So that is the Sweet Treasures Voss collection. It does come in this cute little box. I really like it. It's just, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it though. Is that like bad? Staying in the fun size palettes, I did end up picking up more, but they weren't in a collection bundle like that. They also are $18 each, but it was 40% off $18, so do the math. So I got this Sweet Violet palette. This right here is a purple palette. You guys know I love my purples. They're so beautiful. This is me in a palette. I love these shades in here. Oh, they're so cute. And the next one I picked up is the I Do Not Care. And I ain't gonna lie to you guys, the packaging really sold me on this one. I really got this one for the packaging, but then when I looked in the inside, I was like, okay, I made the right decision. And I'm actually wearing this one on my face today. There's this beautiful shade right here. I'm wearing it in my inner corner and it's like this blue reflective kind of shade. It's really chunky, I ain't gonna lie, but when you blend it out, oh my goodness, look at that. It's like blue and reflective. This is my new favorite inner corner highlight. And I also put this shade right here on my outer corner just to kind of darken it up. It wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, but it did a little something. Next fun size palette I picked up. I thought this one was going to be so good for the summertime. That is the Sparkling Cherry Limeade palette. And this is a cute summer palette. The packaging is just so cute. This is also another rainbow palette, but it's more like in your face. I can't really tell if these are mattes or shimmers, but that's this one. And then the last one of the fun-sized palettes I got is the Oh Snap palette. I didn't realize this one was a Christmas holiday palette, but I feel like I can use this all year round. It is so cute. There's these cute little gingerbreads on it, and it is so festive, but it's like really neutral. I feel like I can use this all the time. Oh, and the last two palettes that I picked up from the 40% off sale. I got these first, everything that I just showed you guys, and then I went back on the website because I was like making sure I got everything that I wanted. So I just kept going back and forth, and I'm like, do I want this? Do I need this? Like, what is it? After a long search of going on YouTube, looking for these palettes, just seeing what people said about them, like if it's worth it. The palettes I'm talking about are the Coral Crush palette and the Sugar Crystals palette. This palette right here I'm wearing on my eyes today mainly, and I think that this is my new favorite palette. I think this is a palette that I'm going to be pulling from for a while, and it's just so pretty. Look at these shades. Whew. There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at these. This shade right here, gorgeous. This shade right here, these are the two shades I'm wearing on my lid. And I'm also wearing this shade as well as this one right here, blended out in the crease. And this is like a palette full of corals. I didn't see that many looks with this palette or this one on YouTube. So if you guys want to see a like tutorial or look or a review like solely on a specific palette that I have talked about today, definitely let me know in the comments, because I want to play with these palettes. There's not that many reviews on YouTube regarding these palettes, so let me know. Packaging, not really my favorite, but whatever. But the inside, oh, the inside. It is a beautiful pastel dream. We have a row of matte pastel-y shades, a row of like corresponding shimmers, and a row of like toppers. I can stare at this palette all day. I love the color scheme of this palette. Can we talk about the packaging on this one? The packaging is so beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at tatianna.anesa, and comment down below if you want to see anything on these palettes, because I would be so happy to do it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.